What's up, Mavericks? I'm sure you've heard about AI vibe coding by now or seen Replit mentioned online, but here's the question you're probably wondering. What exactly is Replit and why should small business owners care? I've personally been geeking out on vibe coding myself. I honestly think I'm addicted. I've spent at least 20 hours using Replit to build tools for Merchant Maverick, and I can tell you this, Replit isn't just a tool for developers, it's something all small business owners can use to save time, test ideas, and even build custom apps without hiring a big tech team. So in this video, I'll break down what Replit is, how it works, the benefits, and yes, some of the challenges I've personally run into. And by the end, you'll know whether it's worth trying for your business. Replit started as an IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment, basically a professional workspace where developers could write and run code directly in a browser. And that was a big deal because you didn't have to install heavy programs or mess with complicated setups. But here's the shift. Replit didn't stop at being a developer tool. They layered an AI agent on top of that solid foundation, and that's what makes it relevant for small business owners with no coding skills like me. Instead of needing to know a programming language, you can literally chat with the AI like you chat with, well, ChatGPT. You can say, build me a form that captures leads and emails them to me. And the AI writes the code, sets it up in the workspace, and you can see it running in seconds. Now here's how it works in practice. You log into Replit.com. Instead of starting with a blank screen of code, you open the AI chat interface called Agent. You type what you want, like make me a calculator that estimates roofing costs, and the AI writes the code and shows you the results instantly. It's crazy. It's like having a junior developer on call, except it's available 24/7 and it's faster and cheaper. Now it's not flawless. Sometimes the AI will spit out code that doesn't work perfectly. I've run into that myself. So you'll need to troubleshoot or reprompt it, but honestly, that's still much quicker than starting from zero, and it's a great way to learn a little bit about coding in the process. So why should you care? Because Replit puts custom tools within reach of non-technical business owners. It's really important for you to understand that you now have the ability to build tools that otherwise would have taken months and thousands of dollars in far less time with far less investment. A building contractor can now whip up a quick quote calculator so customers get instant estimates. A dog groomer or tutor can build a simple reminder bot that emails clients before appointments. A retailer can prototype an inventory tracker when spreadsheets get too messy, or you could build a custom lead form that talks to your email list. The options are endless, and even if you don't build it all yourself, the AI agent gives you a prototype to show a developer. That saves you time, money, and a lot of back and forth. I've worked with thousands of small business owners over the years, and the ones that grow faster are the ones that adopt tools early. Replit is definitely one of those tools. But I do want to be honest here, Replit isn't magic. The AI does make mistakes. I've seen it generate code that looks right but crashes on the first run. I've also seen it hallucinate and think it's solved a problem when it actually hasn't. So you still need patience and a willingness to experiment. And if you're building something really complex or mission critical, you'll either need to be willing to learn or eventually hire a professional developer. But compared to the old way of paying thousands up front just to test an idea, these trade-offs are minimal. I'd rather fix a bug here and there than risk sinking money into a project that might not work. Replit gives you the chance to launch a minimum viable product, then iterate from there. And again, it's so addicting. And the best part is how easy it is to get started. You can click the link in our description, sign up for a free account, and open the AI chat. From there, describe what you want. Build me a simple website, make me a tip calculator, set up a bot that sends appointment reminders. It could be anything, but my advice is don't overthink it. Pick one small idea for your business, type it into the Replit agent and see what happens. The AI will guide you from there. And again, I swear it's very addicting. So here's the takeaway. Replit started as a coding environment for developers, but its AI agent is what makes it powerful for small businesses today. It won't replace a developer for big projects unless you have the dev skills yourself, and you'll run into mistakes that need fixing. But for testing ideas, building quick tools, and saving time, it's one of the most practical AI platforms you can start using right now. Click the link in our description, create a free account, and let the AI agent build something for you. That first project, even if it's small, could change how you think about technology in your business. And like me, you might get hooked. So thanks for watching, Mavericks. Stay curious, stay scrappy, and I'll see you in the next video.